Get noticed in this 2002 Ford F-350. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that gives you more control with its manual transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.